छावी आड़ा फिर कार्ड ऐसा बता कर छाव ऐसा कार्ड चल काटते एक्सप्लेन చేస్తావా చెప్పు
Hello dear parents, sir and madam. Myself Paricha of class 3. Today I will tell you the living plus of humans. Animals as black plants is called the habitat. I order to explain the habitat. Grassland habitat. Hot desert habitat. Polar regions also called inlets. Aquatic habitats. It includes freshwater. Grassland habitats. These are wide open areas mostly covered with grass. Animals like elephant, cheetah, deer, giraffe. Plants like with grass. Purple needle grass, etc. Hot desert place. Don't get much many and are very dry. A habitat without many water. Animals like camel, scorpions, rattlesnake, etc. Animals like crabs, scorpions, rattlesnake. These are spend all days in burrows and comes at night in search of the food. Plants mostly palm trees, cactus can be stored near water. Polar regions also called tundras. Cold regions also called tundras. Animals like polar bears, Arctic fur, etc. can be protected by thick layer air on this body. Penguins protected by thick layer called blubber plants. The plant cannot grow trees but can grow some small shrubs. Aquatic habitats water, healthy fresh water or marine water. Animals, fish, shark, whales, crocodile, crabs, etc. Plants, water lily, lotus. Thank you.